Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Maths Academy by Sudhir. Today we are going to study matrices part 2, algebra of matrices. So let's see what is the content for today's lecture. So in algebra of matrices, first we will see addition of two matrices, then subtraction of two matrices, scalar multiplication, and finally we will study equality of two matrices. So let's begin our lecture with addition of matrices. So step 1, for addition, two matrices must be of same order. Step 2, adding the corresponding elements of two matrices. So let's explain it with one example. So if A is equals to 4 2 minus 5, 7 minus 3 2, and B is equals to 5 minus 3 2 1 0 3, then find A plus B. So let's find the solution. So consider the two given matrices. So to find A plus B is equals to, so matrix A plus matrix B. Now how to take the addition of these two matrices? So step 1, order of the two matrices must be same. So what is the order of matrix A and B? It is 2 by 3. So it is of same order. So step 1 completed. Now let's see how to add the corresponding elements. So A plus B is equals to, we have to add first row of first matrix in first row of second matrix. Now let us add the corresponding elements. So first element of first matrix is 4 and first element of second matrix is 5. So 4 plus 5. Next, second element is 2 plus second element of second matrix is minus 3. So 2 plus minus 3. Third element is minus 5, should be added in third element of second matrix, that is 2. So minus 5 plus 2. Now we are going to add second row of first matrix to second row of second matrix in the same manner by adding corresponding elements. So it will be now 7 plus 1. Second element minus 3 plus second element of second matrix is 0. So minus 3 plus 0. Now third element 2 plus third element of second matrix is 3. So 2 plus 3. Now let's take the addition. So A plus B is equals to, as we all know that, simple addition and subtraction. 4 plus 5 is equals to 9. 2 plus minus 3. Plus minus become minus, so 2 minus 3 is equals to minus 1. Minus 5 plus 2, minus 3. 7 plus 1, 8. Minus 3 plus 0, minus 3. 2 plus 3, 5. So this is the addition of the two given matrices. Okay, so what is the order of the resultant matrices? 2 by 3. So it is same as the given matrices. So we have calculated A plus B. In the next slide we will study subtraction of matrices. It is the same like addition of two matrices. So step 1, order of the two matrices must be same, and step 2, we are going to subtract corresponding element of two matrices. So example, we are going to solve the same example. Now in this we are going to find A minus B. So consider A minus B is equals to, first matrix A, 4 2 minus 5, 7 minus 3 2, minus matrix B, 5 minus 3 2, 1 0 3. So first step is to check the order. So order of both the matrices is 2 by 3, which is same. So step 1 completed. Now step 2, we have to subtract corresponding elements. So A minus B is equals to, so here again we are going to subtract first row of first matrix minus first row of second matrix. In that, subtract the corresponding element. So first element 4 minus first element of second matrix 5. Second element 2 minus second element of second matrix minus 3. Third element minus 5 minus third element of second matrix is 2. So in that way we are going to subtract second row. So 7 minus 1 minus 3 minus 0, 2 minus 3. Now let's simplify it. Simple addition and subtraction. 4 minus 5 is equals to minus 1. 2 minus minus will become plus 3. So 2 plus 3 is 5. Minus 5 minus 2 is minus 7. Come to the second row. 7 minus 1 is 6. Minus 3 minus 0 is minus 3. And 2 minus 3 is minus 1. So again check what is the order of the matrix A minus B. It is 2 by 3, which is same as the given matrices. So this is how we are supposed to find the subtraction of two matrices. Now next, let us study scalar multiplication. So if A is a matrix of any order and K is any scalar, then scalar multiplication Ka is a matrix. Listen carefully. Then scalar multiplication Ka is a matrix obtained by multiplying every element of matrix by that K. So let's illustrate it by one example. So if A is equals to the matrix 2 minus 3 4 3 4 minus 5 minus 2 0 3, then we have to find the value of the matrix 4A. So consider 4A is equals to 4 into matrix A, which is 2 minus 3 4 3 4 minus 5 minus 2 0 3. So how to multiply 4 to the given matrix A? Multiplying every element of matrix A by 4. Remember this. For scalar multiplication, we have to multiply every element of the matrix by that constant or scalar. Now here in this case it is 4. So we are going to multiply 4 to each of the element of the matrix A. So 4 into first element 2, that is 8. 4 into minus 3, minus 12. 4 into 4, 16. 4 into 3, 12. 4 into 4, 16. 4 into minus 5, minus 20. 4 into minus 2, minus 8. 4 into 0, 0. 4 into 3, 12. So I hope you understood how to multiply a constant to any matrix A. It is very easy. Just you have to multiply every element of that matrix by that scalar. Now next point is equality of two matrices. When the two given matrices are said to be equal. So two matrices A and B of same order are said to be equal if corresponding elements of the two matrix A and B are same. So the first condition is the two given matrices must be of same order and corresponding element of the matrices are same. So let us check it by the example. So consider A is equals to this matrix 5 minus 3 2 1 0 3. B is the matrix 5 minus 3 2 1 0 3. So let's check whether these two are equal. So what we have to check first, whether these two are of same order. So the order of the matrix A is 2 by 3, correct? 2 rows 3 columns. Order of the matrix B, oh, it is again 2 by 3, 2 rows 3 columns. So first condition that the order of the matrices must be same is satisfied. Now let's check the second condition, whether the corresponding elements are same or not. So first element of the matrix 5, here in second matrix it is also 5. Second element minus 3. Again in the matrix B it is minus 3. 2 is equals to 2. Come to the second row. 1 is equals to 1. 0 is equals to 0. 3 is equals to 3. So hence what we can observe, that the corresponding elements are same. So we can conclude that these two matrices A and matrix B are equal. So let's illustrate more by taking another example. So consider the first matrix A with the elements A, B, C, D. The matrix B 1, 2, 3, 4. For equality of two matrices, what is the first condition? Order must be same. Okay, so now A is equals to B. When these two matrices are said to be equal, if and only if, what is the first condition? Order must be same. So what is the order of matrix A? 2 by 2. And that of matrix B, it is again 2 by 2. So first condition, order is same. Now these two matrices A and B are said to be equal when? If the corresponding elements are same. So for these two matrices to be equal, what should be the condition? Corresponding elements must be same. So what should we get? A is equals to 1. These two are equal if and only if A is equals to 1, B is equals to 2, C is equals to 3, and D is equals to 4. So A matrix is equals to B if and only if the order is same and if the corresponding elements, that is A is equals to 1, B is equals to 2, C is equals to 3, and D is equals to 4. So friends, that's it for the today's lecture. I hope you understood what is the algebra of matrices. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Maths Academy by Sudhir.